Many people don't realize how easy it is to get your image onto an award plaque. In order to get your image onto an award plaque, here's what you need. An Epson F170 dye sublimation printer loaded with multi-use transfer paper, a pair of heat gloves, a pair of scissors, heat transfer tape, a heat pad, a small heat press like this one, and a blank award plaque. Once you have the finished design for your award plaque, this is how to send it to the F170 printer. For Windows users, click the Print button. Choose Properties, choose your paper type. For an award plaque, choose Rigid. Click OK, then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Choose Printer. Choose Print Settings. Choose your media type. For the award plaque, choose Rigid. Click Print, then click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now let's trim our paper to size. So first thing that we're going to do before we put our plaque in place is we're going to peel away the protective plastic layer. We'll flip over our plaque and apply a couple of pieces of heat transfer tape to hold it in place, and now we're ready to transfer it. Before we begin, you may want to protect your table surface. To do so, grab a piece of scrap wood or some cardboard, place a piece of craft paper on top of that. Now we're ready to put our item in place. We'll grab our heat press, set it down, and begin our timer. We're pressing for 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and when the timer is done, it will alert us. Be sure to lift the press up slowly. Be sure to put on your heat gloves, as the item will be hot. Once you've done that, simply peel the paper away, and you're done.